Start recording. Okay, second topic, Z-test in SPSS. Okay, now make a note. You cannot do a Z-test in SPSS using the Analyze button. You cannot do a Z-test in SPSS using Analyze button. There is a T-test there, but a Z-test is not there. Right? So if you go to compare means, there is a T-test, but not a Z-test. Our next topic is going to be ANOVA, just in case. Next week is going to be ANOVA. So then write down how to do a Z-test without the Analyze button. Okay, so for this one, you have to do actual coding in SPSS. So write down how to do coding in SPSS for a Z-test. The good news is if you go to Blackboard, I have already coded it for you. I found it online, a good code. You can directly use this code. So just download this. And copy the code. So step 1, go to Blackboard, week 9. Hold on, are we recording? Yeah. Go to week 9 and copy the code. Okay, then come back to SPSS. We can close the output for the previous one. Okay, come back to SPSS. Go to File on the top. Go to New and Syntax. Write this down. Go to File on the top. Go to New and go to Syntax. And a new window opens up. And the code that you copied, you paste it here. Okay, now make a note. In this code, you only have to change line number 3. You only have to change line, yeah.
It's not letting me choose syntax.
We'll see when we practice, yeah. File, new syntax.
Yeah, it's not, it's like it literally just won't let me.
Yeah, we'll see. Just take notes. When we practice, we'll check. Okay, make a note. You only need to change line number 3. Okay, the first number here is your N. So the first number over there is your n. So 35 is your n. Where did I? So the first number is your n. The second number is the mean that you get after the survey. Hold on, is it recording? Okay, the third number, the second number is the mean that you get after the survey. It means X bar. The second is X bar. The third number is the mean in the hypothesis. The third number is the mean in the hypothesis. The third number is the mean in the hypothesis, the mu. And any guesses? What is the fourth number? Standard deviation. Write it down. So let's verify the problem we did in the class. Let's do the two-tailed one. Can you tell me what was the n there in two-tailed? So the n was 40. So you make this 40. What was the X bar? So you make this guy 47. Yes or no? What was the hypothesis mean? So you say this is 50. And what was the standard deviation? So the last number is 7. Does that make sense? And then all you have to do is go to run on the top. Run on the top. Run. And you click on all. Run all. And if you do that, you should get your output. So the first one is your Z value. And the second one is your P value. So what was the P value we got in the class? 0.066, right? So it's pretty close. And then you make your conclusion. Is the P value less than alpha? Then you reject the hypothesis. This is one more thing, coefficient, which we don't need it right now. If you want, you can remove the last one from here. Okay, did that make sense? Let's do one more. Let's do the first one. Or do you want to practice? Okay, when you practice, just do all the 3 problems we did in the class, yeah? And from here, you just have to enter the values. Okay, this was problem number 2. Let's stop here. Now we'll do the practice.